I'll never forget the day I left divorce court and realized I'd have to file for bankruptcy. I dreaded the thought of having to use a government assistance program of any kind, especially bankruptcy. The humiliation of being viewed like I was irresponsible with my money was unbearable. Now, after I dealt with the psychological effects of bankruptcy, I had to deal with the financial effects. Now, how was I going to get a new house? Well, my ex-wife got the house in the divorce, and I had to do something fast. One of my coworkers told me about BumpYourScore.com. I went onto the site, watched the video, and immediately purchased the program and got started the very same day. And it worked. It really worked. Thanks, BumpYourScore.com, so much.